quick and delicious dessert that everyone loves. Soak the biscuits in milk. Place 3 rows of biscuits on plastic wrap. Mix the ricotta in a bowl. Add softened butter and mix a little. Sprinkle with sugar and mix well. Add cranberries and mix a little with a spatula. Whip the cream. Put the cream on the biscuits. Spread the cream with a spatula in an even layer. Lift the sides up. Wrap the dessert in plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Put ice cubes in the pitcher. Mint leaves, lime slices. Put raspberries in the blender. Pour in lemon juice and grind the fruit. Pour the raspberry pulp into the pitcher. Fill the pitcher with sparkling water and stir the drink. Take the dessert out of the refrigerator. Unwrap the cake from the plastic wrap. Pour chocolate glaze. Coat with chocolate on all sides and chill for 30 minutes. It is impossible not to like this no-bake cake, with a special look and a fantastic taste.